What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in southern Pennsylvania, and even more beautiful is my new wheels, which I personally am very stoked about because they give it a much more aggressive look. The old wheels were tucking real hard, even with fat spacers on them, and these have the perfect fitment that I want. I actually traded them straight up for a kid that I found online. Stop it. Don't squirt the camera. But yeah, I traded them for a kid that I found online. We met up. The wheels that I had fit his car. He had a black Mazda 3. They fit his car perfectly. He liked them. I love these. But yeah, they are 18 by 9.5 with a 30 offset. It might be 4-inch lip actually. It's a fat lip. They're at Avanti Racing. But yeah, they got perfect offset. That's exactly where I want it. I'm still dialing in the ride height to get it to look just right. And then I'm gonna have to roll the fenders too, which is always a project because everybody in the world has rolled fenders, but nobody owns a fender roller. And I guess the people that do keep it a secret. So I'm gonna have to try and find someone with a fender roller because I'm not paying somebody $25 a fender to roll it when I could do it myself. You know, I'd rather spend $100 to rent the damn fender roller than pay somebody $100 to roll it for me. So that's really just what I wanted to show you guys. I just want to do a little update on the car since I'm really happy with it now. I think the next thing I'm going to be getting is a front lip and side skirts. Oh, and I want to get the little visor that goes on the top of the window in the rear window. Yeah, other than that, I'm gonna be, oh, and I want to get clear marker lenses and the JDM tail lights. There's always something, you know, you can always say you're almost done, but you never are. But yeah, just little odds and ends, because now that I got the motor running right, the thing runs like a top. You know, suspension is done, wheels are done, brand new tires. It's just little cosmetic things. Also, I put the wing on recently too. That didn't come with that wing. That's a wing from a twin turbo. So yeah, stay tuned. All that stuff's gonna be coming up really soon. And car show season starts soon, so I'm gonna be doing lots of coverage of all the big car shows and little meets and stuff too. So yeah, make sure you guys check back for all that stuff. Thanks for watching. Peace.